Sawadee Krab and welcome guys to Lake 98 Villa.
The new development villa on around Mapprachan area. Nice modern design villa behind us.
Yes, only 1 minute to Mabprachan Lake.
Right, very close to Mapprachan Park, let's say, like
Yes.
walking distance around 500 meters. And this villa only have 7 plots, so you have quite private, not so many house. The design is modern and inside is modern luxury design.
Very nice. How many bedrooms? How many bathrooms?
4 bedroom, 5 bathroom, 1 bedroom, 2 kitchen, 2 living room. The land size is around 90 to 100 tarangwa, so it's around 360 to 400 square meter of the land size, and living space also around 400 square meter.
Very nice. And the price starting from 16.9 million.
Right.
So let's see inside, guys. Follow us.
Okay, here we are in living room, like first living room, welcome area.
Yes.
So we can come in to see.
Yeah, they have nice area here for the TV, for relaxing. L-shaped sofa. We have a nice big TV over there.
Right.
Another storage room to the right side. And also the owner of the project told us what is a special feature of this house, especially for the ladies, is that they have the wardrobe for 120 shoes.
Yes.
So it's good for you.
Right.
So over here is the wardrobe for 120 shoes. So you see it's a lot of storage downstairs for the shoes. Upstairs you can even put something else more.
Right. Yeah, the design is quite nice with the functional. So when you come in, you have 1 living room for your guests, and 2 cabinet, and you can walk inside. You have the second living room for your private guests. Or
Yeah, so actually here they have like a sliding door. It's not 100% completed yet. But as Pinky said, here you have another nice living room with like a very high ceiling. We have 7 meters in total for the ceiling height.
Right. So yeah, when your guests come here, it's quite nice. You can see the pool because they can access to the corridor to the pool.
Yes.
So this living room for relaxation.
And also actually can access to the car park. They have car park enough for 2 cars, 3 cars.
3 car actually. If not too big car, can park.
Well, let's say 2 cars and like quite some motorbikes. And over here we have the dining table, totally for like 6 person now set up, but you can put like 2 more chairs on each of the head of the table.
Right. Next to me is the kitchen. They're separate to be European kitchen and then Thai kitchen. So this is nice if you have like European kitchen for some European cooking style food, and if you want to make a big cooking, you can also go to Thai kitchen where you have like a sliding door to separate it. Next to the kitchen is the guest toilet.
Yes.
So yeah, it's convenient for your guests.
And also here we have an area which is nice for me to have it. Wine area, all the wine glasses, wine bottles downstairs. And yeah, when we're going here, as Pinky mentioned, we have like a nice big Thai kitchen as well. And when we're walking around the house, we have another room for the
maid.
For the maid as well over here.
Very nice function. So the maid can come from the kitchen or can go around the house to the front of the house. So around the house have a small garden and the walkway. We are going to the washing machine area. So in this small door, we can store washing machine and also the pump room. So here you can use the space for dry your clothes. This is quite...
Yeah, it's nice to have like this big space for doing your laundry. And as you see, the land is quite big, so you have like still plenty of space around the house.
There are 1 bedroom for the ground floor and other 3 bedroom on second floor.
Okay.
So
Let's see.
before bedroom, we have the space of working room. So this one is additional room where you can decide to be your office, or I don't know, a cinema room if you want, or something else, or if you
You
want to
can
have
also like extend it
extend the
to make the
bedroom.
bedroom a little bit bigger, but it's nice that they also have here some like a sliding doors. At least you can have some like a privacy here when you're working in the office.
And this is the one bedroom on the ground floor with the king size bed. Okay, the house does not come with fully furnished, but you can buy like the furniture package.
Yes.
And this room is nice if you have your guests here, then they can have like a pool view.
Yes, and still have plenty of like a wardrobe space, cabinets, and yeah, as Pinky mentioned, king size bed, and you can access directly to the swimming pool where I want to bring you guys next. Yeah, the swimming pool is actually also something special because they have swim jet.
Swim jet, yes.
So what it means is same like an exercising machine for the swimming pool. So you can turn it on and you can like basically swim all day.
Right.
Because the swimming pool is 2.5 by 6 meters.
6 meter, yeah.
But
not,
with this
not so
function,
big.
if you want to use it for exercising, it's perfect. You have actually an unlimited space of pool for exercising.
Right. So this is very good idea. You don't have to build very big pool, but with this machine, you can always swim.
Yeah, exactly.
And yeah, you save a lot of space.
Here is the exit to the house and also the car park. And coming back in here, we're going back to the living room. Where I want everybody to point on another detail of this house is this ventilation system. So they actually have like a unique ventilation system which is only used normally by Sensory and some
Right.
other big
Big
developers.
developer.
So what it does, it takes out the old air every 2 hours and like replace it with like a new fresh air from outside.
Right. So it seems like your house always have like very good airflow.
Yes.
And always keep the temperature not too high, you know, because if the air always flow, then it's not make so hot, let's say.
Yes, exactly.
And also good for your oxygen and all this.
So now I want to bring everybody to the second floor. See you guys upstairs.
Here we are on second floor. There are 3 bedrooms on second floor, so we show this room first.
Yeah, and also what I point out about the stairs is they use actually real teak wood.
This
So
is
it's
nice
also
point.
nice to have it.
This
So
one is just storage room.
another storage room. Always good to have a lot of storage.
Right, to keep your stuff. So this one is one of the semi-master bedroom, let's say. There are big, there are master bedroom another side. So this one is not really master bedroom, but it's quite very big. You have space for the bed and also the small armchair. You also have the terrace where you can put the chair outside.
Yeah, like a nice balcony, king size bed, balcony here to this view. Actually have 2 balconies. Over there is another balcony as well.
Right.
So this one also you not see often, like a bedroom with 2 balconies. Here is the other balcony.
Okay, you can always enjoy the view outside or relax.
Yes.
And nice point again, wardrobe. Walk-in closet is very big. So you have a lot of space for walk-in closets, left and right. You can put a lot of your clothes, bag, shoes. Okay, the bathroom they use with white marble design and black granite top for the sink. The mirror is not done yet, but it will.
They use all the materials from Kotto and they have like this very nice style of a bathtub as well.
And separately with rain shower, so you can use a bathtub and rain shower separately sometimes. Okay, now we move to kid bedroom, I would say.
Yes, and here you can see the gallery. So this one is the 7 high meter ceiling. Downstairs is the living room and the dining room. And here to our left is the kids' room. It looks a little bit like a Japanese style with the mattress like a little bit elevated above the floor.
Yeah, you can also put normal bed, but for kids it's nice to have like a Japanese style
Yes.
floor, and then just put the mattress so they're not gonna fall down, and easy for them to climb up to the bed to sleep.
Yeah, and still a lot of like a storage. Also, actually, the ceiling height is very high. Also, on this floor is a 3 meter, 3.1 meter. They also have their own bathroom en suite, which is nice actually. And then we're coming to the fourth bathroom, which is actually the real master bedroom, right?
Yes.
So in this real master bedroom, you have like a also big and nice walk-in closet. You have here some like a makeup powder table, still a lot of cabinets to store all your clothes. And here you have space to put a refrigerator, so for maybe storing some cosmetics or even storing some drinks, and you don't have to walk down to the kitchen to get a cold drink. It's nice to have it.
This is nice choice. And the bathroom with the bathtub, nice.
Yeah, so this bathroom has something special. It has like an automatic toilet, as you can see. Also nice bigger sink from Cotto. The same nice bathtub, and also rain shower system as well.
Okay, we move to the bed area. The bed set up as a king size bed. You have a lot of space. Then you have big sofa here with the TV cabinet and TV set up here.
And all the aircon is a Daikin aircon, cassette aircon in the living room and in the master bedrooms, let's say.
And also have the balcony for this room as well, so you can have some outdoor furniture, so armchair.
Yes, it's very nice to have it. And also the house have an automatic gate, which is nice with a remote control. They have this like airflow system, what we talked before, to always get like a fresh air inside your house.
Right.
The house is like unfurnished, so you can buy like a furniture package including all this like Daikin aircons, the ceiling type aircons. The aircon is around like 500,000, and the furniture package with all built in and all loose furniture is another, let's say, 1.5 million. It's still to be confirmed, but let's say overall, if you want the house same as the showroom, it will be another approximately 2 million baht on top.
Right. So, if you like, thumb up for us, press like for us, and then subscribe.
Exactly, subscribe to our channel, and see you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.